Hi class, I'm Steven. My topic is about the natural gas vehicles analyze. First part is the introduction. As you can see from the figure from EIA, the Energy Information Agency, it shows that 93% of the transportation energy comes from petroleum, and the other 3% comes from natural gas, and the other 4% come from the renewable energy like the electricity. The natural gas vehicles has two effects if we have it substitute to our gasoline vehicles. It's mainly from the environmental effect and the economic effect. From environmental effect, the natural gas is more efficient during the combustion along with the less greenhouse gases emission compared to the gasoline. And from the economic aspect, natural gas generally have half unit price compared to gasoline. And natural gas can reduce the dependence of the crude oil imported from the Middle East and Canada for our country. This chart shows natural gas versus the gasoline. We can see from here the chemical component of the natural gas is CH4, while the gasoline is C4 to C12. The combustion efficiency is almost the same for both natural gas and gasoline, but the price is only half here of the gasoline for natural gas, and the emissions gases can be figured out from the equations, from the chemical reaction equations. We can see here 1 mole of the natural gas only generates 1 mole CO2, but 1 mole gasoline can generate up to 4 or up to 12 moles of carbon dioxide. So natural gas really reduced the carbon dioxide emissions. This chart shows the payback period of the natural gas vehicles if you have the natural gas vehicles. Also, natural gas vehicles has its own drawbacks. First of all, our country has mainly depended on the gasoline vehicles. So if we have the natural gas vehicles, we need to build up the natural gas refuel stations. Another one is natural gas is a gas, so it took more space for the vehicles compared to the gasoline. Another one is that the natural gas is a fossil fuel as well, so it's also the source of the greenhouse gases. My solution is that we can use renewable natural gas. The renewable natural gas, also named biomethane, is a chemical structure same as the natural gas. Unlike natural gas, biomethane is naturally occurring which is produced by so-called anaerobic digestion of the organic matters, such as dead animals, plant material, organic matters. However, natural gas as a fossil fuel, it will take millions of years to form the hydrocarbon component underground. But for biomethane, it's just a very simple process like this compared to the natural gas. Another issue is that the infrastructure, as we can see, as mentioned before, our country is relying on the gasoline vehicles for over 100 years. So we can say gasoline fuel station is everywhere. So if we want to use natural gas as our primary energy resource, we must build up the natural gas refuel stations instead of gasoline station. It's going to be a huge project. My solution is that we can use natural gas as a primary resource for the large transportation like bus, subway, and railway. If we can use natural gas in these sectors, it's on the cost of develop new engines and build up the new refuel station will be very short. And also, we can build up the natural gas refuel station for large communities, and we can apply it in our daily use, like grass sour or something like that. To sum up my summary, here comes my summary. Natural gas is a transmission substitute for gasoline vehicles between gasoline to electrical cars. Another one is that natural gas is much cleaner and cheaper compared to gasoline. And the renewable natural gas is biomethane. The infrastructure project is also a good idea for use natural gas. Thanks for watching.